Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I share free tips and platforms that you can earn and bag a lot of money for yourself through crypto. So quickly I'll be introducing you to this platform where I have daily profit, and this was my earnings for today, 1.45 USDT. And we are going to be having a live withdrawal. Like, you are going to see me withdraw this money directly into my trust wallet, and I'll be teaching you how you can earn for yourself. So quickly, first thing to do is to register. Once you input your email, your login password, security password, and you register, you are good to go. You can register with your phone number or username, but I prefer using email to register. So once you click on register, you are good to. So this is the interface of this good platform that we'll be earning from. So quickly, let me show you how I earned my daily profit in this platform. So you can see my dashboard. My profit asset is 0.00. Today's earning is 0. Total revenue is 0.00. That means I'm here to earn in this platform. And don't forget, we'll be having a live withdrawal. You will see me withdraw my earnings directly into my trust wallet. Join me, let me claim my earnings for today in this platform. All you just have to do is to click on start quantify, and my earnings start quantify immediately. And this is my earnings in this platform, 1.45 USDT. This is what I've earned for myself today in this platform. This is a massive profits that I have gotten. So quickly, you see it have reflected in my dashboard, my today's earnings, my total revenue, and everything. So I'll be teaching you how we can withdraw. So once we click on withdrawal, it takes us to this interface. All I just have to do is input how much I want to withdraw in this platform and get my withdrawal address. You can see my earnings today. It is already in my withdrawal process for me to withdraw. But before we withdraw in this platform, I need to fetch my wallet address. So quickly, this is my trust wallet. You can see I have 26 USDT, and don't forget I told you that this is going to be a rightful withdrawal. So we'll still come back to my trust wallet to show you the earnings today have reflected in my trust wallet. So quickly, let's fetch my address. So once I've copied my address, we are back to the platform to paste it and input the necessary details. So once I click it, I click on confirm, and you can see withdraw success. That means it have successfully withdrawn into my trust wallet, and this is my trust wallet. You can see it has reflected 27 USDT. So let me show you how you can earn for yourself. Once you click on recharge, it takes you to this interface. You have to top up in this platform to start earning, and you can use any USDT of your choice to top up in this platform and start earning for yourself. So once you top off, I'll be showing you the VIPs you can subscribe to. So these are the VIPs in this platform. They have from level 1 to level 12. So you can choose any VIP of your choice and start earning. Remember, the higher VIP you choose, the higher money you'll be making for yourself in this platform. So all you just have to do is click to unlock. Once you click to unlock, you can subscribe to any VIP of your choice and start earning massive profit and daily income for yourself in this platform, and is very much unlimited, and start enjoying daily money in this platform. So also, there are many ways you can also earn in this platform. You can earn in this platform by inviting your friends, or you just don't really have to input any money. All you just have to do is copy your referral link and send it to your friends. Once you send it to your friends and you are bagging a lot of money for yourself, you can see send friends invitation, friends complete registration, you get rebate income, and you'll be getting commissions once you are building your team in this platform. So it's very simple and easy. All you just have to do is copy your referral link and send it to your friends. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up so you'll be forced to be notified once we upload a new video. Bye.